Hey everybody, welcome back. KJG Outdoors. Today we're at the Tightline's Ice Addiction 2025 ice fishing tournament here at Rifle Gap. I'd say there's close to about 300 people out here. Top 30 get prizes and payouts. First place is $7,500 cash. So we'll see where we can get on this one.
Oh, that's a pretty nice one. I like that one.
No, yes!
Nice,
yes,
nice,
he jumped out of it, you dumb.
Nice pike.
Oh no, boy, oh.
Here. I think so, right around it.
I didn't even notice he was.
Going home with $7,500 cash in total. We're over $28,000 in cash and prizes. This is the biggest paying tournament anywhere in the western United States that you guys fished in. Ice Addiction, bringing in anywhere between and setting the scales at 5.545 pounds. Archer Quartz. Are you excited?
So kid.
Watching you fight that fish and watching the excitement jumping around that hole,
Yeah.
it was pretty awesome.
That's
I have
awesome.
to ask, how old are you, buddy? 5.5. With another beyond impressive fish, and we're just going to say it, category to category, right? A pike, awesome fish, won the tournament, huge. This next fish was pretty world class. This next fish, anybody catches this fish all day long, you are sending a picture of it to your buddy. Second place is a smallmouth bass, tipping the scale at 4.138 pounds. 4.138, Daniel Lupita. At 2.222, 2.222, we have got Jared Barton. Alright, we're now in our 25th place. 25th place coming in at 1.535, Kyle Ghani. How do we say the last name?
Ganya!
I was going to say Ghani, and I was like, I'm going to mess that one up. How are we doing out there?
Good, how are you?
You have fun?
Oh yeah.
How many fish you catch?
Two.
Two fish. What I mean, were they both rainbows? Who were they?
They were both pike.
Both pike, okay. Awesome, man. Congratulations. Now, with that, did you miss any fish?
No.
No, I like it. 100%. Congratulations. Good job.
Thank you. Alright everybody, I got 25th and Adam got 27th here.
25.
Yes sir.
Sweet. Bump board. I have that bump board on my boat. I had to buy my bump board though.
Right on, thank you.
Yep, go get a photo. Good job.
Oh, no, he didn't take it all the way.
Here's the cameras we just got. That pike just bit at Adam's lure. Fish Pro cameras. Awesome. There's a pike coming in for my anchovy right now. Staring it down. Oh, there's two.
Oh,
He's got it. Swallow it. What? Really? Caught that action on the new camera. Thank you, Ice Addiction.